Hindu Council of Kenya is a national body. We are across the country in Kenya through our 5 branches in Kisumu, in Eldoret, Nakuru, Mount Kenya region as well as Mombasa. All my branches are playing a wonderful role in this situation to support the people those are around them, because this is the most important time when our act should be in the favor of humanity, in the favor of the people those are around us. We all pray because our prayers are actually making sure that we get away from this situation. Hindu Council of Kenya is doing several other activities in this tough time. We are also supporting different businesses because it is important that we can give fish 1 to few times, but if we give fish a stick, it will remain, it will sustain our people to contain themselves and to strengthen themselves. So we are in our capacity trying our best to support in different ways to the businesses, to the people in need, and various other agendas we have to address. That let's unite, let's address this situation in a best possible way and go ahead to live in the good life in days to come with a positive spirit.
Since this pandemic happened, even more so, the brotherhood and the sisterhood has really come together, and a lot of people have been unable to meet their daily needs. Chairman, and to all your membership, I want to honor you today. The ones that are receiving today, I also want to challenge you. Pay it forward to somebody else who is in more need than you are. Thank you for the gift that you've given to Rotary.
This pandemic has really taught us some things which we should and continue to do these good deeds. A small act will definitely help. And I want to pledge Kenyan shillings 30,000 from Medicel. I know you will utilize it properly, and whatever sport, whenever it is, we'll always be there. Thank you very much.
Started a sanitary pads for slums drive, which we launched on 28th of May to distribute all across Nairobi and beyond in the informal settlements. We reached out to the Hindu Council of Kenya, who are very gracious. Thank you so much for this kindness that has been extended to us.
Every 2 weeks, we are providing food to about 50 homes. Every Saturday. I would like to thank all of you because this is the first donation we have ever gotten from outside Cheza Sports family.
Training, as tailoring, school for the deaf in Kariobangi. So what we'd like to say is that we thank you very much for helping us to fight this pandemic.
We make a living by what we receive, but we make a life by what we give. So keep giving and keep driving this initiative each and every day. Thank you very much to the Hindu Council.
To express my heartfelt gratitude to Hindu Society of Kenya because of what they have done. They have given us food. Me and my colleagues, we are not going to look at the children as they sleep hungry.
We have opened our workshop whereby those coming out of prison, they can come and enhance their skill while earning a genuine income. So the Tiuru family is so humble and thankful to you all for your kindness. Thank you very much.
You have enabled us to reach out to our members who are refugees in Umoja, and this will go a long way to help them. Mine is really to thank the Hindu Council of Kenya for the wonderful work we are doing.
to the citizens of this country. Let us unite together, let us have one voice, and let us help the needy.